Mercedes-AMG 4-liter V8 biturbo engine. Innovative, efficient, and truly a technological masterpiece representing the next generation from AMG. Technology, learned and earned in motorsport at the highest level, is transferred and optimized for daily enjoyment in an AMG. Performance under pressure. Incredible stability is derived from the rigid crankcase and lightweight forged pistons. To help reduce friction losses, the cylinder walls are lined with an innovative nano-slide coating. Thanks to the proven dry sump lubrication technology, the front mid-engine does not require a conventional oil pan. This moves the engine's center of gravity closer to the road, a significant improvement for driving dynamics and high lateral acceleration. To keep the unit as compact as possible, the engine's 2 turbochargers are located inside the hot inner V8 engine block. An exceptional engine response is created due to the precise routing of fresh air into the exhaust turbochargers. The result? An ever-present opportunity for a thrilling driving experience. A compact design, high power-to-weight ratio, great fuel efficiency, and a distinctive AMG sound all work in harmony to create the high-performance engine, which is truly bigger than the sum of its parts. A quantum leap into the future of technology. The all-new Mercedes-AMG GT, a sports car in its purest form. Free revving and impressive torque for high agility and optimum balance. The optional AMG Dynamics Plus package provides dynamic engine mounts for an even more sporty driving experience. The front mid-engine layout and the 7-speed double-clutch transmission in transaxle arrangement allow excellent longitudinal and lateral dynamics. AMG. Driving performance.